Youth as co-creators of education mean exactly what the wording says. The young people are not only the beneficiaries of education, but they are also the owners of it. And no one knows more than youth and students what they need and what they want. So why shouldn't they be the co-creators of their own education?
Co-creation of education with young people means young people taking leadership. And by leadership meaning planning, implementing education projects and initiatives, but most importantly, having a voice and vote when it comes to budgeting processes, financing.
SDG for Youth and Student Network is a home, a safe space for dialogue and sense of belonging, which brings diverse voices and lived experiences of young people from around the world on the same shared common goal, which is to transform education.
In all the work that the network does, they do have a specific focus on inclusive policies and advocacies and inventions.
The only way we are going to ensure sustainability when it comes to education or our futures is when we work with young people. So we need to strengthen intergenerational partnerships to ensure that the people coming after us are empowered enough to lead the change that we've started.
UNESCO has reserved seats for young people and students at the high-level steering committee for SDG 4. It is not the only thing that UNESCO can do, of course, but they are leading by example, and the important is to keep the momentum and maintain this and keep doing it for the youth and students to be able to influence education.
Let us support the work UNESCO is doing. Let us amplify the value it has on our lives, but also for the life of our loved ones around us, and so that this mission continues.